Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to put password on Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your admin panel and click on online store and click on preferences and scroll down to the password protection area. Here you can see, and check enable password, and in password enter the password that you will give to the customers who you want to be able to access your online store, and make sure don't use the same password that you use to log in into your admin. And in message for your visitors, enter the message that you want to show on the password page. If you don't want to show a message, then leave this field blank, and after that click on save. So this was how we can set password on Shopify store. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.